In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Bybit to a Web3 wallet. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Bybit application, and then you want to go to the bottom menu and select on the option that does say assets. It should be the most right icon. Once you're over here, you want to go ahead and select on this option that does say withdraw. And now from here, what you need to do is you need to select on the asset that you're actually trying to go ahead and send to the Web3 wallet. So for this video, let's go ahead and work with Ethereum. So I'm just going to go ahead and look up Ethereum, and basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be sending that Ethereum from Bybit into a Web3 wallet. So go ahead and just look up Ethereum. All right, and then it is going to give you something that looks like this. Now from here, we need to go ahead and input the address of the Web3 wallet that we're trying to send it to. Now this could be any type of address. It could be from like MetaMask or Phantom Wallet or something like that. It could even be from the Bybit Web3 wallet, which is definitely something that you guys could do. But the point is, you just want to make sure you put in the crypto address over here and make sure that you do select on the correct network. Then you also want to make sure that you do select on how much of the asset you want to actually send. You have the option to send the maximum amount as well. And once you're done with that, all you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on withdraw. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.